Hello everybody, in this episode I will show you how to change the lights from your plate number. First, in this car all you have to do is to put your screwdriver here and press to the right like this, and then pull it down like this. This is one. This is the old bulb. And it's popping right out. This is the old bulb, as you can see, and today we will change it with LED ones. As you can see, this is the old bulb, and today we are going to install this one. This is the LED one. First, all you have to do is to remove this cable like this, and after that you just have to install the new one into its place. Make sure you don't break the connectors, this one and this one. Also, you can use your screwdriver to install it easier. Like this. As you can see, it's installed into its place. And after that, you just have to put the connector and insert it into its place. Like this. One is done. Let's do the other one. Okay, for this one you also have to pull it to the right and then down like this. You also need to disconnect the connector. This is the old bulb, as you can see. And this is the new one. Okay, like this. Okay, now it's into its place. Install the connector and insert it back into its place, and that's it, you're done. And this is how you change your light from your plate number. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.